And that is a shot by Simpson that's working for him tonight.
Well, very few people know, as commissioner, magaling mag-analyze ng laro yan. Nakakatabi ko yan minsan. Just watching the game. Marami kami pinag-uusapan sa nangyayari sa loob ng court.
Sa tagal na rin ng kapapanood.
At minsan, pinapanood ng 2-3 beses ano?
Yeah. Pero mula nung nag-commissioner ako, mas naka-ano ko sa referees than the game of the players, no?
That's a very hard job, man. Yung referees is a very hard job.
Yun nga ang gusto kong maano sa ating publiko.
As Nathan drills that in, we're going to have a timeout. We'll get back to that point with Commissioner Barrios about the officiating. And look at this ball game, all tied up. This place is rocking back in. Action continues. Some changes have been made in the lines. We'll get to them in just a short while. San Miguel with the lead of as much as 7. That's a thing of the past. Freeman up against Toss, takes care of business there. Commissioner Santos, you were beginning to make a point about what you wanted to tell our fans about the officiating.
Yeah, yung mga referees natin, yan yung unsung heroes of the league. Actually, in my 3 years, yung departamento nila ang took up most of my time, no? Kasi alam ko na yan ang concern ng lahat, paano mapabuti yan. And we instituted a lot of programs.
In the meantime, look at this. San Miguel at full force with Yo nailing that open shot.
So that's a very good time out there by Siontang Kimsen. But one thing that you notice dito sa San Miguel, they finally realize if they want to win a championship, they have to play defense. They have the best offensive team in the league, but they have to play defense against Alaska.
And look at this. The hook shot seems to be the weapon of Alaska here tonight. They're down by just 2.
Pareho si Toss tsaka si Simpson yung jump hook.
Oo, yun ang ginagamit nila. LA Tenorio with the lead pass. Nathan can't track it down. Sonny Barrios, what will you miss the most about the PBA? Not just as commissioner, as you sort of say goodbye to us, which I will find difficult to accept because I'll miss your laughter and your joyful smile all the time. What will you miss the most about the PBA?
Well, I'll miss you guys for a while.
Okay.
But I'll miss seeing the smiles and enjoyment of the millions of fans. No? Yung bumabati sa akin sa Coliseum, pati sa labas ng Coliseum, nakakataba ng puso na alam mong nakakabigay ng kaligayahan itong ating PBA.
Sa akin naman, what is your best accomplishment para sa iyo?
Sa akin yung independence ng commissioner na uphold natin, kahit na anong bigat nung controversy, we made decisions with competence, a high sense of fairness and objectivity, and last but not least, a lot of guts.
Okay. LA Tenorio attacking with a lot of guts there, and it's 32 apiece. LA Tenorio with 4 points. Labagnot down the middle. Arwin Santos launches. No. Hugnatan clears the path for the rebound. Bonasher trying to control his dribble. Bonasher looks inside. Great pass inside.
Ito yung pinag-uusapan natin, Sebe. Pag si Bonasher, sila Borboran, sila Hugnatan, they come off the bench and they contribute positive. Ang hirap talunin yung Alaska.
Nagko-contribute kasi lahat kahit sinong bunutin ni Timko.
Look at San Miguel. Miss from the outside while Alaska beginning to gang rebound. Crossover dribble by Tenorio. And I think we're going to have our very rare quiet moment here. But how do you see the PBA in the years ahead? Let's say 3 or 5 years down the road with new teams, a new team already on the block. We have Meralco, and we will miss Santa Lucia, that's also a champion team. How do you see the PBA, let's say, in the next 3 or 4 years?
Much stronger, Seb, no? Very timely yung pagpasok ng Meralco, Petron, and even the Barako franchise will sort of reinvent itself. The incoming commissioner, Chito Salud, has many solid programs in place, no? Since he came in, nag-concentrate na siya dun sa mga bagong gagawin natin. Kaya masisiyahan sigurado ang publiko natin.
Sa Paco, alam ko, medyo minsan confidential ito. Meron ba tayong bagong mga teams na gustong sumali o gustong pumasok? O nagbigay na abiso sa iyo?
Meron akong dalawang kinakausap. Unfortunately, for lack of time, they said pag-aaralan nila itong coming season and hopefully by 2011-2012, baka sumali na sila.
Backdoor play with Punisher at the firing end, and it is Alaska in the lead by 2.
Very well-oiled machine itong Alaska, no, Bob? Magkamali man sila, alam nila yung ginagawa nila sa loob ng court.
Structured kasi yung kanilang game plan eh.
And San Miguel beginning to miss from the outside, 4:16 to go. Have there been any major changes from the time you and I started working together in the 90s, 80s, the 90s, and into this next century? Have there been many changes that you've seen in the PBA?
Well, sa game, I believe it's much faster and more, not really more physical, but the skills of the players are brought to the fore rather than noong araw maraming gulangan-gulangan eh. Ngayon talagang pagalingan.
Okay. Now there's a drive by Freeman resulting in a foul. Let's see who they give this to. As we'd like to remind you about Hanes being the official underwear of the PBA.
Alam mo, I agree with you, Commissioner, kasi even sa NBA, napapansin ko, it has become a speed game. The teams really have to have a speed game para maging very effective ang kanilang offensive game.
Parang global ata, Andy, di ba? Yung moving of the ball fast among the teams and then even moving without the ball, mas maano ngayon eh. Mas pronounced kaysa yung set play.
That's why it's more exciting.
Yep.
Correct.
I know our new chairman, Rene Pardo, is thinking of us having our own Coliseum. Do you see that happening in the next couple of years?
Sana, no? Malaking undertaking yun eh. Sana yung general economic condition umangat na ng umangat. Kasi there are certain forces beyond our control eh. Kung magiging stable lang talaga maybe for the next 3 to 5 years, we may realize that dream.
36 all here. 3 minutes and 32 remaining in game number 4's second quarter. It's a fiercely fought contest. Ito, Hunch, Commissioner. 6 games, 7 games ito.
Well, pag nag-2-all, baka mag-7 games.
Okay. In the meantime, we've got Devance back in together with Baguio. And by the way, we will also have the NBA Asia Challenge as the legendary NBA players will team up with our own legends. And of course, the special performance of the Miami Heat dance team. And that's on August 27. You know where to get your tickets.
Low-scoring ball game ito. Medyo masama ang umpisa ng Alaska. But their defense has kept them in the game.
Danok Miranda circling around the big pick. And there's the pitch. This crowd is screaming. Tenorio pops, can't drop it. Rebound contested. Look at Miranda slide gracefully into his front court. The snap by Arvin Santos.
Very consistent si Arvin from the start.
6 points by Arvin Santos.
Well, naalala mo ba sa All-Filipino? Siya parang unang candidate natin magiging most valuable player. Yung umpisa niya sa All-Filipino.
Ball being tapped around and taken away finally by San Miguel. Inside pass, Arvin Santos back to back.